The Golden Statue, a tale of Vikram and Betal. Once upon a time, in the ancient kingdom of Ujjain, there ruled a wise and just king named Vikramaditya. He was known far and wide for his bravery, intelligence, and unwavering commitment to justice. One dark night, a wandering sage approached him with a request that led him to a peculiar and airy challenge. The sage asked King Vikram to fetch a corpse from a haunted banyan tree in the distant graveyard. The corpse, possessed by the wily spirit Betal, hung from the tree, and retrieving it was no simple task. Betal, clever and elusive, posed a riddle to the king each time he carried the corpse on his shoulders, flying away if the king spoke a word before solving the riddle correctly. Undeterred, King Vikram set out to capture the Betal. On his 21st attempt, Betal told him a tale that tested his wisdom and integrity. In a small kingdom, there lived a merchant named Dhanpat who had two sons, Vikas and Vivek. Vikas, the elder, was hard-working and honest, while Vivek, the younger, was cunning and manipulative. When Dhanpat died, he left behind a fortune and a beautiful golden statue of a goddess. The brothers decided to split the fortune but argued over the statue. One day, Vikas found the statue broken and rushed to confront his brother. Vivek denied any wrongdoing, accusing Vikas of trying to frame him. The matter reached the king, who asked them to present the pieces of the statue. The king then made an unusual decree: let the one who loves the statue more prove it by giving up his share of the inheritance. Betal paused, and then asked King Vikram, who should be declared the rightful owner of the statue. King Vikram, known for his discerning mind, replied, the rightful owner is Vikas. His willingness to sacrifice his share shows his true love and respect for their father's memory and the statue. Pleased with Vikram's wisdom, Betal allowed himself to be captured. However, he warned the king of the sage's ulterior motives. Vikram confronted the sage, discovering a plot against his life. He thwarted the treacherous plan and returned safely to his kingdom. Thus, King Vikramaditya's bravery and intelligence triumphed, and the tales of Vikram and Betal continued to inspire generations with their lessons of wisdom and justice.